Bonjour. So in this video, we are going to express our likes and dislikes while talking about different activities we like doing and activities we do not like doing. When we want to talk about like doing, we are going to say j'aime. And when you would like to say I do not like doing, you're going to say je n'aime pas. So our question is, what do you like doing? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? So you are going to express this on the different activities that you like doing. Okay, it's good to note that the verb aimer is normally followed by a verb in the infinitive. Le verbe à l'infinitif. So when you talk about a verb in the infinitive, we mean a verb that has not been conjugated. And you can see the verbs have been underlined. We have écouter, nager, danser, jouer, regarder, lire, et jouer. Okay, so I want to express my likes. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? J'aime nager. I like swimming. Je n'aime pas danser. I do not like dancing. J'aime écouter de la musique. Je n'aime pas jouer au foot. I do not like playing football. Je n'aime pas regarder la télé. I do not like watching TV. J'aime lire. I like reading. Je n'aime pas jouer du piano. So it depends with the different activities you like doing. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.